Okay, paint fans, we're gonna go take a quick walk back into Raphael's wonderful cloud effect class because I already posted a video that showed him pouring the paints down, but the effect wouldn't happen for about 20 to 30 minutes. So it's been about an hour. We're gonna go take a peek and see what it looks like. Oh, he's got a little bonus technique, I see. A little bonus here, little bonus technique.
That's the spinner we're gonna be using later on.
This is the NASCAR one. That's the NASCAR spinner.
Fidget spinners with a tile.
Yep, I made one on his instructions.
I am
And
going to make one when I get home.
Actually, after we made it, and we spun it and left it and put the timer on to see how long it would spin. 14 minutes before it completely stopped.
Perpetual motion almost.
It was beautiful.
I know the kids love those things, but they,
Yeah. Okay.
we can get them cheap now.
We got to go find your sample that you poured and see what it looks like now that time has passed. Where is his sample? Is his sample up here?
Yeah.
All right, let's go take a peek. There it is. Oh, and that's still going to progress. Look at those. Oh, that is gorgeous.
That was the first one.
Look at it. It looks like dendrites right there. All right, now we're going to go take a peek and see what we have. Is this the first time you've done a cloud effect?
No, I've done some at home. But this is the first one that's come out this great.
See what happens when you have an instructor?
I said this never happens at home.
Look at that. That is a wonderful cloud effect.
Look at all of that.
Isn't that amazing?
Amazing.
They're like the dendrites.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is beautiful. So you enjoyed the class?
Oh my God, yes. Everybody needs to come.
That's right.
This is YouTube Live.
It is. Well, this is Facebook Live, but she said it's YouTube Live.
I've seen him on YouTube.
Ooh, that is awesome.
It'll be all right.
Donna, are you waiting to pick up your cup?
Now I'm going to put white paint around it
Okay.
and then pick it up.
Okay.
Milk paint will go around it.
And what is your color palette? Oh, beautiful.
This, and the other color is gone, and just a little bit of that.
A little bit of gold.
No silicone.
And no silicone. Did you have silicone in yours?
Absolutely.
Yes, but I didn't mean to. That's why I got all the sales.
Yeah, but that's amazing.
Yeah.
That looks fantastic. Are you happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
All right, we're just going to watch Donna for just a second.
She's been doing this a while.
Oh, look at that. Look at those cells already starting to form. Wow. Oh, here comes the torch.
I got the same thing.
I got a different brand at home because I had one of these one time.
Ooh, look at all those popping.
Boy, you're going to get a lot of
That's going to be
colors.
a lot of great cells.
And there's no silicone. That's what's interesting.
And you use milk paint, right?
Yeah, milk paint. And yeah, that's
That's fantastic.
the milk was the first in, so it was last out.
Wow. That's going to be a lot of nice little cells popping up. Look at that. She hasn't even done anything with it yet. We got those amazing cells.
I think
Fabulous.
this is what he's talking about, though.
Ah, yeah. Injection.
Yep. I do that with a syringe. And it really does blow out some cells, which is nice. All right, thank you, Donna. Sherry. Oh, my goodness.
I used a little of the silicone in the gold and put it in first, then my milk paint. I don't know what I've got, but I like the color.
It's stunning. This area right here.
You like that?
I love that.
I was going to move some of it down. But
Very. Oh, I think
like
this is
that?
so delicate.
Yeah, and I got all those and he looked and he said, oh, when I'm at the
Nice.
I am a realistic
Holly,
artist.
one of our instructors. She finally got here. See, she's a student today, not an instructor.
Always
There we
learning.
go. Always
Always
learning.
learn from our peers.
That's right. That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Coming through.
Lovely colors. All right, let's go see what they're doing over here on the NASCAR spinner.
Oh, that's so
All
nice.
right, rev up your engines. What a brilliant setup. It's not your kids' spin art anymore.
This looks like a monkey.
She's got a monkey in there.
Beautiful.
I know, isn't that amazing? Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh, that stupid light. Oh, that's beautiful. Awesome. Let's see what else we have. Morning, Tom. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Well, look at the cells, and you haven't even done anything yet. You just lifted up that cup. Great color combination.
Oh, like you did for her. Okay. Hers is gonna be, those colors are gonna be awesome.
That's beautiful. Very summery.
Yeah.
Look at those cells. While you're getting that up there. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for letting me share with everyone. And Julie's here, using the 3 cups in 1. And of course, she's got the best color going right now. It's all about the purple. Are you having fun?
I am having a fantastic, amazing.
See, now y'all need to be coming to Seattle. See what you're missing.
I get the invite, I'm there.
You got the invite.
I'm telling you, this is amazing.
Oops, I'm sorry. Well, I'm glad y'all are enjoying it. All right, we're heading out. Okay, we'll talk later, paint fans.